Welcome to my channel, my Oyo Kitchen family. Kindly drop a comment, like, share, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. And today, being Sunday, my children crave for chicken shawarma, and I did justice to this. I made the best shawarma ever you can ever think of. This is one of the best chicken shawarma in Nigeria. My children said, "Mommy, I want shawarma," and I did this. I started by using my chicken and sausage, and here I have my shawarma bread, and also I have my chicken and my sausage. I have my shredded carrot and cabbage. I have my mayonnaise and ketchup. I have my spices, and I have my chili. The first thing I did was I cut the sausage in pieces because of my children. I cut two and I leave the remaining two like that. I am doing this because my children will be eating. It is for four of us in the house. Started by adding my spices to this. In this spice, I have stock cube, I have spicy tea, I have chili, and I mix everything together to combine. I mix it well combined with salt. Everything is inside. After mixing it, mix. I have to make sure you wear hand glove because of the spice, so that your hand will not be hot. After mixing everything, marinate it together, I on my light, put it on my frying pan, and I begin to stir fry it. I stir fry it. I try to stir fry this until I get what I want. Guys, if you haven't tried this kind of shawarma before, you need to give this a try. This is very nice. This tastes so good. My children was like, "Mommy, my mommy make the best food ever." After eating this, trust me, this is something you can do with the little recipe you have in your kitchen. You can imagine, you don't need to break the bank. I thought of what I said. How can I be buying shawarma for one wrap of shawarma for 3,000 naira when I know I can make this myself? That was how I jumped into the kitchen and I did this within a space of 1 hour. Before 1 hour, I am done doing this, and they all ate one and they enjoyed it. This is what they used to make dinner. Trust me, guys. You can also do this for your family. You can do this for your visitors. You can do this for your children. You can even do this for yourself, for you to chill out at home. Sometimes it's not about working. Sometimes you can give yourself some sweet treatment. Sit at home, do this, sit down and watch some movie and take some drinks, some soft drink or some yogurt. Trust me, this will go a long way. You see, as you can see, I'm still stir frying it because I want to make sure that the chicken gets done, gets cooked very well. You understand? You can see because I didn't really parboil it. It is soft chicken, that is why it's not difficult. At the point I have to cover it and allow it to steam up very well and to cook very well. This is me trying to stir it to know how it is. At this point, it is getting good, getting better. I cover it again and allow it. On the other parts, I bring out my shredded carrots and my garbage. I mix my mayonnaise and my ketchup together. I mix everything very well to combine. You can see the way I'm doing it. This is what you actually need. It is not difficult to make chicken shawarma. You can do this. Here you see me. I brought a clean container. I pour in my shredded carrot and my shredded garbage. I add in the mayonnaise. You see how I add it. This is how you're going to do it. There's no two ways about it. This is me adding my chicken, my stir fried chicken, and my sausage. You see how succulent, how sweet, and how delicious this is looking. You turn everything together to combine together. Mix it very well. If you like more, if you want, you can add more mayonnaise and more ketchup at this point. But trust me, this is okay the way I want it. So you see me, I make sure I mix everything together. When I do that, my bread wrap, my shawarma wrap, I took some of the mixed ketchup and mayonnaise to sprinkle around it to spread it. Then I add my mix cabbage and my carrot together with the chicken. I mixed it and I wrap it. This is it. My darling, this is shawarma. If you go out there, you get one wrap of this shawarma for 3,000. But if I can make it, why do I spend money doing that? So this is me wrapping the second one. You understand? This shawarma tastes so good. This is tastes so nice. It was so delicious. It was so nice. If you are still watching my lives, watching my videos, and you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe. Kindly help us share our videos. Kindly help us like. And while you're watching this video, please, if you have any comments, kindly drop your comments on the comment section, and we'll get back to it. This is me wrapping the one for my odogu. I have to add one sausage to it. The other ones is for my children because they are kids. So I pieces the own sausage inside. This is me wrapping the last one for my very self. I wrapped it and I add the remaining sausage to it. Guys, at this point, I am done with this. Trust me. When this shawarma was okay, you understand. If you test it, you would never think of any other shawarma any other place. You wrap it properly, wrap it very well. And here you see me putting on the gas. Put it on my frying pan and place it. Here you have to turn it all around. When it's still for some time, you turn it, turn it, turn it. Before you know it, within the space of 10 to 15 minutes, you are done. You see how it is looking already. I'm trying to turn it. You see how beautiful it is looking. Shawarma is ready. This shawarma here, if you go outside to buy it, this four here, you spend 12,000 naira. Each one is 3,000 naira in the environment where I stay. This four you are looking here is 12,000 naira. This is me making shawarma in my house without spending up to 5,000. Guys, have you seen it? This is shawarma already ready, looking nice, looking sweet and chocolate. Will you be trying this recipe? If you be trying this recipe, please put it on the comment section. And guys, don't forget to drop a comment when you watch this. Our kamara at this point, our shama is ready. See how it looks like, looking succulent and very nice, very delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.